understand? Huh? If anyone wants to become my followers, let them deny themselves, take up their cross, and follow me. Dear friends, in this gospel passage, Jesus invites to follow the path of cross, the path of suffering, which guarantees his discipleship. Life is made of joys and sorrows. If we turn back the pages of history, we can find that many religions of the world originated as a response to the fact of human suffering. Buddha said, if you want to remove suffering, you have to win over your desires. Opposite to all these general trends of the world, we find a man in the person of Jesus who invites one and all to follow the path of cross and suffering. Jesus says, if anyone wants to follow me, let him deny himself and take up the cross and follow me. We may consider Jesus as a sadist who finds pleasure in suffering. Rather, Jesus was following the rule of nature, the natural principle of life. If we look at the nature, we can see that old leaf sheds itself in order to give way to a new bud. The seed decays in order to bring forth a plant. A woman undergoes pain in order to give birth to a new child. Now, what about the cross that comes on our ways? Crosses in our lives, way of study, hard work, rules, vow of obedience, poverty, and chastity. Do we follow because there is no way out? Do we follow them because they become our formalities of our life? If those are the reasons of our suffering, it is quite useless. If our suffering is positive and creative, it can help us to create a better world, a better community, a better relationship, and better living situation. Then we have the right to call ourselves the disciples of Christ.
Now what about
as
the
disciples
cross
of
that
Christ
comes
on our
Let us
ways?
follow the path.
Cross is in the form of study, rules, vow of obedience, hard work, poverty, and chastity. Do we follow them because there is no way out? Do we follow them because there is no way out? If those are the reasons of our suffering, it is quite useless. If our suffering is positive and creative, it can help us to create a better world, a better community, a better relationship, and a better living situation. Then we have the right to call ourselves the disciples of Jesus Christ. As disciples of Jesus Christ, let us follow the path of cross, path of suffering. Let us all evaluate and examine our lives, how we behave or how do we respond when we want to face some crosses in our life. Let us ask to Jesus to give the courage to take up the cross and follow him and thus become his ideal disciples. Thank you. Thank you.